Now we will see the second part, next part of the topic. Now we will see that what are the different types of thermodynamic process. How many types are there, and we are going to learn that one by one. So the first one is reversible TP. TP means thermodynamic process. Okay, this is your reversible thermodynamic process. Now we will just understand with the help of graph. As per our rule, we are just indicating the pressure on the y-axis and we are just indicating our volume on the x-axis. Okay, so this is our simple PV diagram for the reversible thermodynamic process. Okay, this is the simple diagram for the reversible thermodynamic process. So as you can say, the pressure we have indicated over the y-axis, while the volume we have indicated over the x-axis. Okay, so you can see the at the point at the state 1 there are this is the first state, and at 1 2 there is the second state. Now the state has been changed from 1 to 2. State has been changed from 1 to 2, and the corresponding values of pressure at state 1 is Pi and the Vi. Okay, and the corresponding volume value of Pi pressure and the volume is Pf and Vf, as you can see. So the system is changing its state from 1 to 2. Okay, as far as its working is concerned, the at the state 1 you can see here the value of pressure is Pi and the value of volume is Vi. So you can see here, as the graph is moving in this direction, first of all we will just understand this first path. Okay, so this path is moving 1 to 2. Now as you can see here, just there is the pressure drop. So pressure drop is from Pi to Pf. Okay, there is the pressure drop from the Pi to Pf, and as you can say there is the increase in volume also. Increase in volume from the Vi to Pf. Okay, pressure drop and increase in volume. So what we can say, the piston and cylinder movement, the movement of the piston is outward. How we can just suggested that one, as there is pressure is dropped. Okay, so the gases which are enclosed into the cylinder, so its a pressure will be dropped. Okay, and there is increase in volume. This is the path, there is increase in volume. Okay, so with the help of this increase in volume we can say the piston movement is outward. The piston movement is outward. So this is what we have understand with the help of this PV diagram, and this path number 1, this is the first path. Okay, now we will see, now we will think exactly in inverse manner. We will see exactly in reversible manner. If I consider this path, okay, this path is also moving from 2 to 1. Okay, this path was 1 to 2. Now we will think in the second way, this path we will 2 to 1. This is the path we have to consider. Just forget about this. Now just think about this path. Okay, now as you can say, as you are going to 2 to 1, the volume is decreasing. The volume is decreasing and there is rising pressure. The volume is decreasing and rising pressure. So we can say that there is the piston movement, the cylinder piston movement is inward. Okay, so this is what we can think, and this is nothing but your reversible process. Okay, so as far as the definition of the reversible process is concerned, it is the chemical process in which the initial system, the final state of the system can be brought again into its initial state. Okay, the chemical process in which the final state of the system can be brought again to its initial state is called a thermodynamic reversible thermodynamic process. Reversible thermodynamic process. Okay, we just draw this PV graph. Okay, so you will understand very easily, and try to write this 3 to 4 sentences regarding this reversible thermodynamic process. Okay.